Hi Guideposts, I'm Elinor Griffith. I'm here in my kitchen and I'm making cranberry couscous salad, a recipe that's featured in my book to bring out wisdom. And as you can see, I've already pulled together most of the dish. I've used the pearl couscous, which is a little bit bigger as the base, and then I've added about a half a cup of cranberries. I've added 2 tablespoons of chopped flat leaf parsley. There's 4 tablespoons of really good olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a little salt, and then I just really need to finish it up at this point. And I always like to add a little bit of lemon zest to it because I think it's so pretty, that yellow color. So I'm just going to do that right now with a little bit of zest. You don't have to add too much, but it just adds a nice look on the top, for instance. And then one of my favorite ingredients in this dish really is adding these slightly burnt almonds to it. Actually, they're not completely burnt, but they just have a slightly smoky, crunchy flavor to them, and that's really adds a wonderful dimension to the dish. I hope you'll remember my little motto. It's salt for luck and time for love.